everybody, it's Michael Levitas. I am back here with Jamie Wright, an attorney that does sexual harassment claims. And we at JurisQ.com, we bring back experts and attorneys such as Jamie Wright to answer your commonly asked legal questions. And we talked with Jamie before about how to prosecute, how to file for a claim for sexual harassment, how to defend against such a claim if you're a business owner, how to enact best practices in your business to minimize your exposure to sexual harassment claims. But a very important question arose this day and age that is very relevant. A lot of people are now working from home, right? WFH, working from home is right now a big word. Can you get sexually harassed while working at home, while doing business and meetings on Zoom, through email? Jamie, what have you seen? Tell us.
Yeah, you can certainly be sexually harassed from home. The transmission of provocative images, language that's sexually charged, that's typically how people get sexually harassed from working at home. I send you an email with an intimate body part. I make a sexual joke. We're on Zoom. I show you an image that I shouldn't have. I don't know. Some people have even accidentally been nude in some of their videos. So you can most certainly get sexually harassed from working from home. The standard is just a little bit different.
And you told me before this session, actually, when we spoke on the phone, that now there's an uptick in sexual harassment claims, even though so many people are working from home. How do you explain this?
Just the looseness. If I'm talking to you from the comfort of my home, I don't have the corporate mindset turned on that I'm in the office. And so sometimes it's just accidental because we're in a kind of relaxed setting.
That's a very good advice, that even though if you're on your couch or in your bed working, still remember you're at work. Remember the corporate ethics, corporate culture. You could still get sued for sexual harassment.
Correct. And you have to be very careful about that.
And also, I would imagine some people that have never met before, they only talk with each other on Zoom, colleagues, and then one colleague asks another one out to see them in person. Could that escalate eventually to a sexual harassment claim?
Yeah, it can, because someone could, especially if one decides they don't want the other, then it can. Then it could be sexual harassment, especially in the workplace. You got to be very careful about workplace fraternization in that regards. Yeah.
And you know what, Jamie? That's a whole other topic. At some point, we're going to bring you in.
Yes.
When you have the time, and we should talk about workplace romances, because that is occurrence that happens, but you gotta be careful about it, right?
Absolutely, got to be very careful.
Okay, very good. Jamie Wright, an attorney from Los Angeles, California, does labor law, sexual harassment claims, and other civil litigation. Thank you so much for being with us. We appreciate your time. Please follow our Facebook pages, Instagram, YouTube, to hear and see more advice from our expert attorneys on frequently asked legal questions. And we also discuss legal news, what happens in the big cases, lawsuits that you see and hear on TV. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a great day. Jamie, thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for your time.
Bye-bye.